So hello my friends, Devaun Lennox here, PhotographyPX. Today's video will cover the best softbox lighting kits. Do know you can find timestamps and links in the description down below, as well as the pinned comment. And also know this is not a sponsored video. Let's get started. Quality lighting is key to creating high quality photos or videos in a studio environment, and it's one of the first vital lessons newcomers learn. Thankfully, softbox lighting kits are here to do just that, and they're an affordable and straightforward means to improve your lighting. These softbox lighting kits use fluorescent light bulbs to produce filtered daytime light that reduces harsh shadows, minimizes glare, and creates a gentle flattering effect on the subject. And the result is a soft, even light that matches a large window. But unlike window light, you can access this soft, natural lighting anywhere, anytime. As such, they're the go-to means for many to improve their production's value. But many of these kits are available, and not all offer the power or versatility to meet the demands you likely have. With that, we've compiled a list of the best softbox lighting kits on the present market, and we've also created a brief guide outlining the factors to consider before getting a lighting kit for yourself. Coming in number 5, MOUNTDOG Softbox Lighting Kit. MOUNTDOG Softbox Lighting Kit features two 20-inch or 50-centimeter softboxes with 95-watt compact fluorescent bulbs balanced to 6500 Kelvin, and each light uses the standard E27 socket, so you can switch the bulbs if needed, but neither light has a variable brightness control. Instead, you'll vary the diffusion by adding the front cover or moving the lights physically. Even so, each softbox uses embossed nylon to maximize the light spread and minimize any spill. This kit also includes two 80-inch light stands constructed from aluminum alloy for strength and durability. Other bonuses include a carrying bag. Overall, MOUNTDOG's Softbox Lighting Kit is a good two-light kit that's ideal for beginners wanting to experiment with lighting, and it's an affordable means to do just that. Coming at number 4, MOUNTDOG's 2400-watt lighting kit. MOUNTDOG's 2400-watt lighting kit features three 20-inch or 50-centimeter removable softboxes. Each light contains 4 individual sockets, taking a 45-watt compact fluorescent bulb through an E27 base, and each bulb is daylight balanced to 5500 Kelvin. But crucially, these lights have 2 control switches to alter the brightness, giving you more flexibility when setting them up. And this kit also includes 3 80-inch light stands crafted from aluminum alloy and a 54-inch boom arm. The boom arm in particular is an excellent addition to create a soft edge light or hair light to separate your subject, and it's also a discreet way to light background elements in the scene. Other bonuses include a sandbag and a carrying bag. Overall, MOUNTDOG's 2400-watt lighting kit is a solid option if you want a simple but effective 3-point lighting system. Coming in number 3, PhotographyPX's Softbox Lighting Kit. PhotographyPX's Softbox Lighting Kit features a single 20-inch, 50-centimeter softbox with two 85-watt compact fluorescent bulbs, both balanced to 5500 Kelvin, and it uses the standard E27 base, so you can change the bulbs as needed. This light doesn't have a brightness control, so you'll also vary the diffusion on this one by changing its distance to your subject. Even so, this kit surprisingly offers 800 watts of total incandescent output, coupled with solid reflective performance, so you'll have plenty of power and flexibility. This kit also includes a 78-inch aluminum alloy tripod. Other bonuses include a carrying bag and a 2-year guarantee. Overall, PhotographyPX's Softbox Lighting Kit is a solid alternative if you don't need multiple lights in your setup. Coming in number 2, Fovitec Lighting Kit. Fovitec's Studio Lighting Kit features two 20-inch, 50-centimeter removable softboxes and a third light with a built-in softbox. The first 2 lights contain 5 sockets, each taking a 45-watt compact fluorescent bulb balanced to 5500 Kelvin via the standard E27 base, while the last head offers a single socket carrying a 45-watt bulb. Each of the 5-socket lights also have 3 on-off switches to adjust the overall output, and doing so lets you change the lighting ratio to create more drama when needed. But crucially, with the third light and boom stand, you can create a flattering hair light or separator, dramatically upping your production value. Together, the entire kit also provides a whopping incandescent output of 2475 watts, and this kit also includes 3 90-inch light stands. Other bonuses include a carrying bag, umbrella mounts, and a sandbag. Overall, Fovitec's Studio Lighting Kit is an excellent option for those wanting an affordable 3-point lighting setup. Coming in number 1, Neewer's 700-watt lighting kit. Neewer 700-watt lighting kit features two 24-inch, 60-centimeter softboxes, each with an 85-watt compact fluorescent bulb balanced to 5500 Kelvin, and both lights use the standard E27 socket, letting you switch to other bulbs or even slave flash units. Even so, the entire kit offers 700 watts of total incandescent output for outstanding brightness. However, neither light has a variable brightness control, so instead you'll vary the diffusion here by adjusting the front covers. However, this kit also includes two 88-inch light stands constructed from aluminum alloy for strength and durability. Other bonuses include a carrying bag and the 3-month guarantee. Overall, Neewer 700-watt lighting kit is a solid and affordable means for newcomers to improve their lighting. So there you have it, my friends. There's our list of the best softbox lighting kits. For more information, check out our website, photographypx.com. You can also look at the pinned comment in the description down below, and I'll take you right to the full post. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found the contents of today's video insightful and it added value to you. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Also, leave us a like and a comment in the description down below. Let us know if we overlooked something or we missed something that we covered in today's video. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox, photographyPX.com.